Lighthouse. To 26 nautical miles east of Windsor Harbor, moving north at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Port Washington, Wisconsin to Windsor Harbor, Illinois, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:24 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 18 nautical miles east of North Point Lighthouse to 14 nautical miles east of Windsor Harbor, moving northeast at 20 knots. Additional storms will be moving in from the west. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Severe thunderstorms.